ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. శ్రీరామ జయ రామ జయ జయ రామ. టుడే is auspicious Magha Masa Adivara, the first Sunday of the Magha Masam. And Sundays in Magha Masam are special for worshipping Surya Narayana Murti, Sri Surya Narayana. So in the worship, there are various methods, there are various things that are used. One of the things for a worshipper to do, one of the actions a worshipper can do is something called Pratah Smaranam. Means the first thing in the morning, reminded of the Supreme God in the Ishtadevata, in the form of Ishtadevata. So Magha Masa is specifically special for worshipping any god in the form of sun. Seeing Ishtadevata in the disk of sun and worshipping is the prescribed type of worship in Magha Masa. So Pratasmarana Stotras, a lot of Pratasmarana Stotras are there. Advaita Pratasmaranam, Lalita Pratasmaranam, all gods, goddesses have the Pratasmarana Stotras. Today we'll try to read same with all possible defects. I will give some explanation also of the Surya Pratasmarana Stotram. So bowing down to Surya, Pratasmarami khalu tat savitur varenyam rupam hi mandalam rucho adha tanur yajumshi samani yasya kirana prabhavadi hetum brahma haratmakam alakshyam achincha rupam. Brahma haratmakam alakshyam achincha rupam. The Pratasmarana Stotram will have 3 slokas. The first one will be Smarana, second will be Namana or Bhajana, third one will be Namana. So Smarana, Namana, Bhajana. So Pratasmarami Khalu Tat Savituhu Varenyam, one who is selectable God. Rupam hi Mandalam Rucho. His form, Rupam is Ruk Veda, Ruks. Tanur Yajumshi, his body is Yajas. Samani Yasya Kirana, the effulgence, the Kiranas that go are the Samas. So his actual form is Ruk, Rupam is Ruk, Tanuhu, the visible form, the disk is Yajas, and the rays that are emanating from that disk is Sama. Rug Yajus Sama Trayi Murti. Prabhavadi Hetum, the cause of all the Prabhava, all the creation. Brahma Haratmakam, so the creation and transformation, both together. Brahma Haratmakam, Alakshyam, cannot be a Lakshya. Alakshyam, he cannot be made as a target. Achincha Rupam, Lakshana cannot be explained. Some Lakshana cannot be given of him. Achincham, okay, if you cannot explain, no problem. Can at least think, you can't even think about, you can't imagine the qualities. So Alakshyam Achincha Rupam, such form Pratasmarami, I am reminded of in the morning, I am thinking about, who cannot be thought about. That is the contradiction, but that is what the Shastra is saying. Then the second sloka, Pratar Namami Taranim తను వాంగ్ మనోభిః బ్రహ్మేంద్రపూర్వక సురైః నతం అర్చితంచ వృష్టి ప్రమోచన వినిగ్రహ హేతుభూతం త్రైలోక్య పాలనపరం త్రిగుణాత్మకంచ. So Trigunaatmakam, having all the three qualities of Sattva, Rajas, Tamo gunas are the basis for this Sattarama. Trailokya Palana Param, who is taking care of the three lokas, the stability of the three lokas, Bhurbhuvaswar lokas. Trailokya Palana Param. So Prataha Namami, I am bowing down with Tanu. Smarami, done with heart. Namami, doing with body. Taranim, who can take Tarana Shakti, so who can deliver us to the other Taranim. Tanu Vang Manobhihi, Tanu with body, Vak and Manas put together. Brahmendra Purvaka Suraihi, Brahma, Indra, Adi, Surai, the gods of Brahma, Indra also. Natam Architancha, they have also done the Namaskara and Archana. Archana is with the body doing whatever puja. Architancha. Vrushti Pramochana Vinigraha Hetu Bhutam. He shows his grace by Vrushti, by Varsha, by raining down all the auspiciousness. Rain not only means rain of water, anything that falls from above is rain. Vrishti pramochana vinigraha hetu bhutam. He can give it, he can stop, he can control the flow from what comes from the hetu bhutam, reason for such vrishti pramochana vinigraha. So while coming, not coming, the reason being the great Lord. Pratar bhajami Savitaram Ananta Sektim. So I do the bhajana, means I speak about with walk what we do, that is bhajana. Pratar bhajami Savitaram Ananta Sektim. Papauha Setru Bhaya Roga Haram Parancha. Papauha. Papa is comes always in groups. Papauha Shatru. Shatru is also coming in the groups. Bhayas. Not single fear, multiple fears. Augha, that is also comes in the groups. Shatru, Bhaya, Roga, even Rogas, no single Roga comes. One Roga comes, Roga, group of Rogas comes. Multiple diseases that come. All these Aughas, Haram, remover of all these Rogas. Rogas, Papa, Papaughas, Papas, Shatru, Bhaya, Roga. These four types of groups of enemies that can come and attack. Haram, Paramcha. He is supreme as well. So he is coming, removing all these things, means he is also not involved in this whole play game of this world. He is always ever beyond Parancha. Tam sarva loka kalanatmaka kalamurtim. So here it's the form of time. Sarva loka kalanatmaka. All these lokas are coming into existence and going back into the time. Kalam. Kalam is kalosmin lokakshekrut pravruddho, as Lord Krishna says in his Bhagavad Gita. Tam sarvaloka kalanatmaka kalamurtim gokantha bandhana vimochanam adidevam. Gokantha bandhana vimochanam means of a pasu, go, cow. Kantha bandhana, on the neck there will be a rope which is used to tie it down. Go, pasu pasha. Pasu is all Gokantha Bandhana Vimochanam. In the morning when sun rises, people will come remove the Gokantha Bandhana and then take all the cows to the outside. That is the typical thing which we see in the morning. So Gokantha Bandhana Vimochanam. So Gokantha, all Pasus, we are all also Pasus. Kantha Bandhana is there. Pasha is there. Bandha Vimochanam, who is capable of removing such Vimochanam. Adi Devam, the first of all gods, Adi Devam. Phalasruti, Slokatrayamidam idam Bhanoho, this Bhanu, Bhaskara Martanda, Chandarasme Divakara. Bhanu is also name of Sutra. Prathakale Patestu Yaha, whoever Sa Sarva Vyadhi Vinirmukta. The biggest Vyadhi is the body itself. Sa Sarva Vyadhi Vinirmuktaha Param Sukham Avapnuyat. Supreme bliss he attains. So Prathasmana Stotras always will give 3 slokas. Smarami, Bhajami, Namami. Namana, Archana with the body, Bhajana with the walk, Smarana with the mind, actually the heart. So, above thinking, it is a feeling. Feeling goes, transcends above the thing. So, with that, Pratha Smarana, Bhajana, Namana, 3 slokas of Sri Surya have been recited today. May the Surya Narayana Murti's grace be on one and all. Mitra, Ravi, Surya, Bhanu, Khaga, Pusha, Hiranyagarbha, Maricha, Aditya, Savitra, Arka, Bhaskarebhyo, Namo Namah. May everybody's Vyadhis, Sarva Vyadhi be removed. All types of bodily, mental, emotional Vyadhis. And everybody attain that peace and highest bliss. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya Swasti.